Welcome little chess champs. Today we are going to learn where each of the piece goes when setting up your chessboard. Where do the rooks go? Let's start with the rook. These castle type pieces go in the corner square. The white rooks go in the bottom left, the bottom right corner. Black rook go in the top left and the top right corner. Where do the knights go? Next, we have the knight. This heart-shaped piece go right next to the rook. The white knight go next to the white rook on the bottom row. The black knight go next to the black rook on the top row. So the knight always sit right next to the rooks. Where do the bishops goes? The bishop with their pointy hats go next to the knight. The white bishop go next to the white knight at the bottom row. The black bishops go next to the black knight on the top row. So the bishop always sit right next to the knight. Where does queen go? Now the queen always start on the same color as herself. The white queen goes on white square in the middle of the bottom row. The black queen goes on the black square in the middle of the top row. So remember, queen on her own color. After placing all the other pieces, the king goes on empty square in the middle. White king goes on dark square in the middle of the bottom row. Black king goes on the light square in the middle of the top row. So the king always end up in the middle with white on dark, black on light. Finally, the pawn. Each player has 8 pawns and they go on the row of square in front of all the other pieces. The white pawn goes on second row right in front of the white pieces. So this is second row. We called it as second rank also we can call. So white pawn is going on second rank. The black pawn goes on 7th row. So this is 7th rank. So the pawn fill up in the row in front of all other pieces. Yeah, that's how you set up the board. Now you are ready to start your game with all the pieces in the right place. Have fun.